Hey, question for you. What would you do with an extra $200 a day in passive income? Would you go on vacation, spend more time with family and friends, or even quit your 9-to-5 job and join a band? You could be making $200 a day or more in passive income, which amounts to $73,000 every year, and you don't even have to do the work. In this video, I'll show you a new bot that's going to do all the heavy lifting while you are receiving cash into your PayPal account every single day, allowing you to concentrate on more important things, like singing, dancing, and even telling your boss where to stick it. You see, the fact of the matter is this is 2021, and the days of doing all the hard work yourself are over. Gone are the days of needing a college degree or other higher education to provide a nice living for yourself and your family. I'm going to show you two different websites that I've never discussed before on this channel that when combined together are going to make you $200 a day or more in passive income directly into your PayPal account, equaling about $73,000 a year. And no, you don't need a college degree to make this work. All you need to do is know how to operate a little computer mouse. That's about it. Just a couple clicks and let this little bot do all the heavy lifting for you. But first, I really need you to support the channel. A lot of hard work and research goes into every single video, so we need you to like this one and subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now. And for those of you that stay until the very end of the video, there will be a little surprise waiting for you, a little pot of gold at the end of the rainbow that's going to help you capitalize on the method I'm going to show you today and help you double or even triple your earnings. Make sure you watch until the end and don't fast forward through this because you might miss some very important steps that are going to be necessary to make this work the way it should for you and get you that $200 a day in passive income right into your PayPal account. As you can see, thousands of people are already using this first website to make a ton of money selling freelance services. As you can see, this person is selling their service for $18 and they've been hired over 4,000 times, so do the math. This one up here, they're charging $495 and they've been hired over 619 times. The difference between all these people and you and me is that these people are doing all the work themselves. What we're going to do is we're going to type in a specific niche into this website, then we're going to take that over to another website and have all the work done for us and make a lot of money. So if that sounds good to you, then hit the like button and welcome to Online Moneymaker. Hey, listen to this.
Subscribe to Online Moneymaker.
See that? See that? Watch this. Let's go with, let's do this. Listen to this.
Subscribe to Online Moneymaker.
How about this?
Subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now.
Do it, baby. So that was the website that's going to automate everything we're going to do here on SEO Clerks. The first thing you need to do is join. It's very simple here. You just fill out the basic information, username, email, password, confirm password, and you are in. Now, the reason we're using SEO Clerks and not something else like Fiverr is because the niche of voiceover is very untapped here on SEO Clerks. If you were to go to Fiverr, there's thousands of people offering that service. But here on SEO Clerks, there's only about 100, and as you can see, people are selling that service for anywhere from $5 to $80, and we can see that they're getting some business here. And I guarantee you they're sitting home doing this themselves on their expensive microphone, and we do not have to do that. So as you can see, there's people charging $25, there's people charging $50, and what they're going to do when you get hired is they are going to email you the text. And then what are we going to do with that text? You're going to take that text and bring it right over here to play.ht, which is a free text-to-voice service. So whatever they send you, you're going to copy it, you're going to paste it in here, and you're going to choose a voice, okay? And it's gonna spit out the words for you right there. You don't have to do anything. So let's see what Nancy sounds like here. Let's see what Nancy sounds like. Hold on.
Like this video, biatch.
Let's try that again.
Like this video, biatch.
That's awesome. So this is totally free, okay? They've got tons of different voices here that you can choose from. Now they do have some free voice. Most of it's free, but they do have a payment plan if you want to go for some premium voices, and it's not very expensive. If you start getting a bunch of business, you might want to go for the $14.25 a month plan. That's not going to break the bank. So if you're getting a lot of business, I would do that. Otherwise, just to get started, this is going to cost you absolutely nothing. Play.ht. Now hang on a second here. I'm going to show you another way you can make money doing this. This website pays anywhere from $100 to $250 for around 30 seconds or less of a page done to voiceover, okay? This website right here is where you can make serious money utilizing that last website I just showed you. As you can see, this website is the one-stop shop for anybody looking to hire voiceover talent, anything from animation, audiobooks, business, educational, internet, ad, video, podcasting, telephone, radio. Hey, you could be a telephone sex worker, television, video games, all that stuff. Again, all you're gonna do is take that text, go right here. Here you go, paste it there.
Make money, homie.
Yep. What did they say? What did they say?
Make money, homie.
That's right, make money, homie. This website's called Voices.com. Voices.com, just sign up for free. Now, this one, they do pay a lot, okay? This is gonna make you a lot of money. So if you do go with this one, I would highly suggest you, at a very minimum, come back over here to Play.ht and pay the $14.25 a month. You're gonna get a larger selection of voices. And the thing with Voices.com here is that you can advertise your services in multiple different accents, okay? You can advertise yourself as a woman, as a man. So the people that are doing this on their own, doing it legit, they've got one voice pretty much. They're a man, they got a man's voice, but not you, because you've got Play.ht, okay? And this is your secret sauce, because you can do voiceovers in any accent, any gender, doesn't matter. So that puts you way ahead of the game over here on Voices.com, just for starters. And finally, as an additional added bonus, because I always want to provide you guys with value, I've got one other website here that's gonna pay you to do the voiceovers, okay? This one, you basically throw up a little audition project, okay? And then jobs are submitted every single day to this website, and you can negotiate your own price, okay? The website does not negotiate that for you. You can name your price, and this website is called Voice123, voice123.com. Now you've got 3 places that you can slang your newfound voiceover talent and make money. You should be able to make $200 a day or more in passive income, okay? So check this out right here.
Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.
See that? Now you got an English accent you can use. Check it.
Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.
Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker. Have a wonderful day.